Hello, good evening everyone. This is Dr. Gauri Khurana. I am a dental surgeon and I am presently working in Mahavidar Charitable Hospital. I am here to tell you about the oral health care and the bottle feeding habit. What is oral health care? It is to impart knowledge among you so that the people can use that knowledge in their day-to-day routine practices. It is really important as you take a bath every day. It is very important to clean your mouth, your tongue, your teeth each day. And the oral health की importance क्या है? It is to give knowledge to people so that they can protect their teeth from being decay, like so that it don't get cavitated. What is caries? A caries, the bacteria which is present on the tooth and it's invade the outer or the inner surface of the tooth, causing them to decay, is known as caries. Now about nutrition. Now nutrition also plays a very important role in your tooth decay. Like if you take more of carbohydrates, then more of caries will be there. So taking intake of carbs is directly proportional to the caries. So I'm not saying you don't take carbohydrate, like you take the sugar when it sticks to your mouth, your sugar that sticks to your mouth or teeth, then it releases, the bacteria releases, जो बैक्टीरिया है वो एक एसिड रिलीज करता है, जिस एसिड की वजह से आपके दांतों में कैविटीज हो जाती है. ओके, then the types of teeth. Now there are two types of dentition या teeth. The primary teeth, which is the milk teeth, जो छोटे बच्चों में दिखाई देती हैं हमें, छोटे छोटे दांत होते हैं. The baby teeth, like. Now then the second set of teeth is the permanent teeth. The permanent teeth are those which we get after 12 to 13 years of age. So now they are the primary teeth. They are milky teeth, milky white in color. They are 20 in number, and the permanent teeth जो होते हैं वो 32 in number होते हैं. What is the importance of primary teeth? Like लोग सोचते हैं कि ये तो बच्चे वाले दांत हैं तो गिर ही जाएंगे, लेकिन उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है. हेल्प्स इन स्पीकिंग, बोलने में हेल्प करते हैं. इन चूइंग, चबाने में हेल्प करते हैं. देन इन स्माइलिंग, द मोस्ट important function of tooth to look good is smiling. And the last one is to accommodate the permanent teeth. We have seen कि जो हमारे बच्चों वाले दांत होते हैं, जो प्राइमरी टीथ होते हैं, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेसिंग गैप होता है. इट इज़ बिकॉज टू एकोमोडेट, जिससे जो हमारे परमानेंट टीथ आए वो उसमें फिट हो जाए. नाउ कम्स दी फर्स्ट टूथ जो है हमारा इरप्ट होता है 6 months, एज आई टोल्ड अर्लियर, 6 months to 1 year की एज में इरप्ट हो जाता है फर्स्ट टूथ. और जब तक आपका बच्चा अपने थर्ड बर्थडे तक पहुंचता है, तब तक उसके सारे प्राइमरी टीथ आ जाते हैं. बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि यू शुड ब्रश ट्वाइस daily, once in the morning and then the other one at night. So it is true, you have to brush your teeth twice. What kind of brush you have to use? You have to use a soft bristle brush, and you have to apply soft pressure while brushing your teeth. Then you have to replace your teeth. आपको हमेशा अपना टूथब्रश 3 to 4 months बाद उसको चेंज करना है. ओके, and you have to keep your tongue also clean. So you should always, while brushing your teeth, after brushing you have to clean your tongue too, because it is also a part of your oral cavity, right? You can use a tongue cleaner, or you can just use your brush only and then apply pressure and clean the tongue. Okay, then what else? Apply less pressure while brushing your teeth. You have to visit your dentist regularly after 6 months or a year. Then, okay, that important point is there कि you have to make your kids learn to make them interested in brushing. Choose the brush they want. Okay, like my kid, He's 4.5 year old, and he's very fond of Avengers. So he has a toothbrush like of Batman, just of Batman. Then he's fond of dinosaurs, so he has a dinosaur brush. So the brush they like, which they are fond of, तो it is very important कि अगर उनकी पसंद का ही ब्रश आएगा तो उनका इंटरेस्ट बना रहेगा. And you have to be a role model. आपको साथ खड़े होके, क्योंकि वो छोटा बच्चा है, इतनी जल्दी ब्रश नहीं करेगा और ठीक से नहीं करेगा. अगर करेगा भी तो यू हैव टू स्टैंड बिसाइड हिम और हर एंड यू हैव टू शो हिम कि हम कैसे ब्रश करना है. ओके. Then comes what the process, how to brush your teeth. So how you have to brush your teeth, as I don't have a model, so I am a model, live model myself only. So what you have to do, you have to take a soft bristle brush like I use Sensodyne, and then you have to brush your teeth. The COI, you have to remember this sequence, that is COI. C is for chewing. जो दांत आपके खाने में हेल्प करते हैं, चबाने में. चूइंग इज चबाने में, जैसे पीछे वाले दांत हमारे चबाने में हेल्प करते हैं. यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ हार्ड, अ फॉरवर्ड एंड अ बैकवर्ड प्रेशर. ठीक है. मोमेंट यू हैव टू गिव फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. ओके. सो एंड द outer teeth, the outer side of the teeth, that is the front teeth, you have to take a circular motion. In front teeth you have to give a circular motion. Okay. Now the inside, I stand for inside surface. That is very important to clean, क्योंकि most of the time I've seen in my clinics the patients which come, they have a sparkling white teeth in front, क्योंकि वो बाहर वाली सरफेस को तो बहुत अच्छे से चमका लेते हैं, लेकिन अंदर इट्स फुल ऑफ स्टेन्स, इट्स फुल ऑफ कैलकुलस, इट्स फुल ऑफ प्लाक. तो वो बहुत, इट्स वेरी अच्छा नहीं लगता है टू से कि आपको अपने दूसरों के लिए नहीं ब्रश करना है. यू हैव टू ब्रश योर टीथ फॉर योर सेल्फ. सो यू हैव टू क्लीन द इनसाइड surface also. So you have to from gums towards teeth you have to come. You have to hold your brush like this. Now the downward, like it is tough कि हम नीचे वाले दांत क्लीन कैसे करें, क्योंकि बहुत टंग जो है आपकी हैम्पर करती है, उसको नहीं ठीक से ब्रश करना. यू हैव टू होल्ड योर ब्रश लाइक दिस. Okay, so this is the brushing technique. Now come the bottle feeding. What is bottle feed? Bottle feeding, it is the most important cause of your dental decay. सबसे ज़्यादा दांत में cavities लगने के chances bottle feeding के time ही होता है. क्यों? Why? Because I have seen most of the parents adding sugar to the milk while they put it in the bottle, कि हम अपने बच्चों को मीठा दूध पिलाएंगे. ठीक है. सो वो ताकतवर बनेगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ द फिलॉसफी, बट दैट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट मेथड. बिकॉज जब आपका बच्चा बॉटल मुंह में लगे लगे सो गया तो उसका जो शुगरी पार्ट है, जैसे मैंने बताया कि बैक्टीरिया इन्वेड करेगा और उसको आपके दांतों में कैविटीज़ लग जाएंगी. सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. वैसे आई विल प्रेफर कि आप बॉटल नहीं दें. अगर आप बॉटल बच्चे को दे भी रहे हो तो प्लीज़ उस दूध में आप शुगर या कुछ भी मीठा, हनी, एनीथिंग शुगरी सब्सटेंस या स्वीट सब्सटेंस ना डालें. ओके. सो होप you have understood the importance of oral care and bottle feeding. Then it is very important. There is an fluoride application which has an anti-caries property. So आप डेंटिस्ट के पास अगर जाएंगे तो वो आपको इसकी नॉलेज देंगे. Okay, now the questions. Now the questions which you have asked. Now, how can we practice good oral hygiene for kids at home? Like the brushing I have told you, proper brushing, and the technique I have told you, and the proper brush you will take. Now, how often we should take our kids for dental checkup? I've already told that 6 months to 1 year. Every 6 months or 1 year you should take your child for dental checkup. Okay, if they have any decay and all in the tooth, so you can take it before. ये नहीं कि डेंटिस्ट ने कहा था कि 6 months to 1 year पे ही जाना है तो आप तभी जाएंगे. Rehan, when should children begin toothbrushes? Toothbrushing should be started as soon as the first tooth erupts in the oral cavity. And I forgot to tell you about the paste. Which paste you should use? You should use a fluoride toothpaste, and for the kids less than 6 months, no fluoride toothpaste is needed, as the tooth erupt at 6 to 1 year. So if your child is less than 3 years, then you can use a fluoridated toothpaste, but a grain of rice, चावल के दाने जितना you have to apply the paste on the brush. Then, or if your child is elder than 3 years, then you can use pea size. You have to use pea size toothpaste. Okay. Then, is flossing good or bad for kids? Flossing, it is little bit tough, so I don't think kids will be able to do that. So if you do a proper if you follow proper brushing and you brush your teeth properly, then there is no need for flossing. Do we need to give fluoride toothpaste to our kids, and if yes, at what age? Which I forgot. A question is asked and I have answered that. Okay. When to introduce bottle feed to a baby? Being a mom, I strictly say no. Don't use water bottle, these milk bottles to feed your child. But if it's urgent or it's ठीक है, अगर आपका बच्चा दूध नहीं पीता and you feel कि बच्चे को दूध पीना चाहिए, you give it, but don't add sugar. Please, big no to sugar in milk while feeding your child with a bottle. Next, I think few more questions. How can we prevent cavities, and if cavities are there on first set? So cavities कि आप शुगर इनटेक कम की, बॉटल में कम चीनी वाला दूध नहीं पिएंगे, और you carry out your brushing twice a day with soft hand, with applying soft pressure and with soft bristle brush. Okay. एंड अगर ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ टीथ में अगर कैविटीज़ है तो वो सेकंड सेट में भी आएगा, मतलब लाइक कि मिल्क टीथ में है तो वो परमानेंट टीथ में भी आएगा. दैट इज नॉट द केस. नेक्स्ट फ्यू मोर क्वेश्चंस. विच टूथब्रश शुड किड्स यूज? जो उनकी पसंद का हो वो उसको ब्रश दीजिए, और उनको बीइंग अ रोल मॉडल, बिकम अ रोल मॉडल एंड मेक देम लर्न हाउ टू डू प्रॉपर ब्रशिंग. एंड मदर्स डू पैनिक इफ बेबी, अगर आइडियल एज happens, so that what is the actual or ideal age of teething? 6 to 1 years, 6 months to 1 year is the ideal age. Okay, when the first primary tooth began to erupt, so till 3 years. Okay, सारे प्राइमरी टीथ आ जाते हैं, और 12 years से पहले तक 12 या 13 years के बाद सारे परमानेंट टीथ आ जाते हैं. ओके, so hope my lecture या my webinar was informative to you. Okay, then thank you, bye bye.